Ameartis Kids. Fun education, new knowledge every time.
Whoa!
Tap the subscribe button and let's learn and have fun together.
Assalamu alaikum, friends! Do you know what happens after a whole month of fasting? We celebrate a very special day, Eid al-Fitr. On this day, Prophet Muhammad taught us some beautiful sunnah, or good deeds to follow. If we do them, inshallah, we will get even more rewards. Want to know what they are? Let's find out together. On Eid morning, we are encouraged to wake up early and take a special bath. Why? Because Prophet Muhammad always did this before going for Eid prayer. This bath makes us feel fresh and clean, so we can look our best when meeting family and friends. The Prophet also encouraged us to wear our best clothes on Eid. But don't worry, it doesn't have to be brand new. What matters is that it's clean and neat. And if you have perfume, you can wear a little to smell fresh and nice. Before heading to the Eid prayer, it's good to eat something first. Prophet Muhammad used to eat an odd number of dates before going to the mosque. This is a way to show that we are no longer fasting. Next is saying the takbir. This starts from the night before Eid until right before the prayer. By saying Allahu Akbar, it means Allah is the greatest. We remember how amazing and powerful Allah is, and we show our gratitude for all His blessings. Here's a unique sunnah. Prophet Muhammad always took one road to the Eid prayer and returned home through a different road. Why? So we can greet more people and spread more kindness along the way. When we arrive at the mosque or prayer area, we perform the Eid prayer. After that, there's a special speech called a khutbah. It's important to listen carefully because the Imam will give us wonderful advice about kindness and the meaning of Eid. Eid is a day of happiness. It's the perfect time to say sorry and forgive each other. Prophet Muhammad taught us to build strong friendships and never hold grudges. The Prophet also taught us a beautiful dua to say when meeting people on Eid. We can say, Taqabbal Allahu minna wa minkum, which means, may Allah accept our good deeds and yours. Isn't that wonderful? Another important sunnah is sharing and giving charity. On this blessed day, we can share food or gifts so that everyone can feel the joy of Eid together. So, friends, these are the sunnah acts we can follow on Eid al-Fitr. Let's practice them so we can get more blessings from Allah. Which sunnah are you excited to try? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy Eid al-Fitr! Taqabbal Allahu minna wa minkum. See you in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum.